Hi everyone. So book number 10 of the Mo Willems series, it's called Pigs Make Me Sneeze. Oh my goodness. Let's see what happens in this story. It's pretty silly. Okay. Pigs Make Me Sneeze by Mo Willems. Gerald! What do you want to do today? I want, yes? A what? A ball, a swim, a hat. Choo! Oh my goodness. What are you supposed to do when you sneeze? Are you okay? I do not know. Achoo! Right in his face. Right in her face. Not good. I cannot stop Achoo! Sneezing. Oh no. What if pigs make me sneeze? Achoo! Oh my goodness, that made Piggy fly up in the air. It was such a big sneeze. What if you tried to sneeze more softly? Sorry. He knows he shouldn't be sneezing right in her face, huh? But if pigs do make me sneeze, then I can't be near you. Then we cannot be friends. Then we must be apart forever. But Gerald, no, do not speak. It is too late. Goodbye. Gerald? Who's that? That's Dr. Cat. Are you okay, Gerald? No, I'm not okay, Dr. Cat. Look, he's taking his temperature. Pigs make me sneeze! And Piggy is a pig. Piggy is also my best friend. Achoo! He's taking his temperature right here. Great, now cats make me sneeze too. Thud. He just checked his temperature. I do not think pigs make you sneeze. I do not think cats make you sneeze. Uh-oh. What do you think is making him sneeze? I think you have a cold. A cold? You are sick. And he's been sneezing everywhere. Oh my goodness. I am sick. Okay, thank you, doctor. Piggy, great news. Oh my goodness. I have a cold. Good for you. What happened? He sneezed on her and got her sick. Oh my goodness. Well, if you learn anything from this book, you need to cover your mouth when you sneeze or cough. You shouldn't touch your face. And if you have a cold, you need to stay home, okay? So you don't get anybody else sick. Yeah, and wash your hands, right? My goodness, that was Pigs Make Me Sneeze by Mo Willems. Bye.